Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Art Whisper 88. This is mineral oil or baby oil, which I got from a discount store. And it's about time that I do some maintenance on my gel plate. I'm going to show you how I oil the plate. Now, this is a very old plate. This is probably like 4 years old. And as you can see, it's pretty yellowed with age. But it doesn't affect the performance. And every now and then, there's a need to oil the plate. So just to keep it in good shape. Because every time I notice that the paper is tearing, I pull, it's a sign that it needs oiling. Now, if you have purchased a new Gelli plate, a new Gelli plate doesn't really need to have this done, but this has been around for a while, and it's a benefit to the plate if you oil it, clean it, and oil it. Now, I have some other videos that show how to clean and oil the plate. I will put the link in the description box below. Now, I used my hands because the oil is actually good for my hands, but you can use a brayer or a brush to spread the oil. So what I'll do is leave this. You can leave this overnight if you like, or maybe at least half an hour or an hour. So I will leave this on and I will be right back. Okay everybody, it's been almost an hour, and you can see here, let me give it close up. Some of the oil already is absorbed into the gel plate. So if I leave this on longer, it will probably be all absorbed, but for in the interest of time, I'm going to wipe off the excess with a rag. I'm not using paper towels because the paper towel tends to leave a lot of residue or little bits of paper. So I want to avoid that. You can see the oil loosens up the dried up paint on the edges. Just give this a good scrub. Now, if you use the gel plate a lot, the paint tends to accumulate on the edges, and I like to keep them clean. Okay. There. Okay. So this is a nicely conditioned gel plate. I'm going to use my favorite Mars Black and Spread this out. I'm trying to spread this out as evenly as I can. Okay. Now there will be some areas where the paint does not take to the gel plate because of the oil. I'm going to do some scribbles with my Q-tip. Again, I'm going to use my Richardson 22 by 30 watercolor paper, but this time I am using the pebbly side, so I want to exploit the texture of the paper. And as you have noticed, I have changed my orientation from portrait to landscape. So this is a horizontal type image, just to break up the monotony, because most of my images are in a portrait mode. So I'm just giving a nice firm pressure with my hand. Because in this case my hand pressure is a substitute for a printing press, which I don't have. Okay, so I'll leave this on for about 5 minutes and I will be right back. Okay, this is the exciting part. Let's see how we made out here. It's a very good transfer. You see, when I use the pebbly side of the paper, you have all these textures. That's what I was hoping for. Now, there's not too much of an oil resist effect, but I'm pleased with the result. Now, this is the simplest kind of monoprinting. This is just one layer, one pull. That's it. And it's very clean. It's a very clean result. That's what I was hoping for. Cool. So I finally got to display my scribbling skill. So I will air dry this, and I will do a recap when this is dry. Okay, everybody, this has dried beautifully. Here's a close-up, and you can see the very pretty texture created by the pebble finish. It's a combination of the pebble surface of the paper and the oil resist. Since the surface of the gel plate was freshly oiled, so the paint does not stick completely to the gel plate, and you get this very interesting texture. It's almost like a woodcut in terms of texture. And as you can see, the Q-tip is a very effective tool for creating this kind of effect with lines. And sometimes the simplicity of line is very powerful, as you can see here. So there you have it, a simple monoprint. One pull, one color, one design. So thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I'd like to invite all of you to send your photos, and I hope to see you next time.